What's up guys, this is Dr. Technician, helping you go further, faster in graphic design. In this video, I'm going to show you how can make this simple, Saber effect animation. Before entering to the animation, consider subscribing. Let's get into the video. Coming up. Open After Effects. Create new composition. Change name to Saber. Or, whatever you want to call it, just put here. Keep frame rate as it is. And change duration 6 seconds. I have already imported a logo to project panel. Use transparent PNG format logo. Anyway, insert logo to timeline. As you see it's big size. So, just press letter S in layer, to open scale. And change scale value to suitable size. Here, click right in layer, and select Pre-Compose. Change name to logo. And don't forget to tick this, move all attributes into the new composition. Now, we have to create outline mask. You can create mask manually using pen tool. But in this case, we don't have to do that. Just select the logo, go to Layer menu. And select Auto Trace. In Options, select Channel. Here you can see many trace channel. In this case, select Channel Alpha. And keep other option as it is. You can see the outline mask is created automatically. In Layer, click letter U, to see all mask. And you can delete any unwanted mask here. Anyway, we have created mask. Now let's get into the animation. Select logo, and search in Effects. Saber. If you can't find it here, you can install it, using the link I have already put in description. Alright, drag Saber to logo. Then this light line will appear. Now we have to combine this light with mask. Before that, change core size to 1. And glow intensity to 25. But, it looks like just a line. So increase core size to 2. Then expand Customize Core. Change core type to Layer Masks. Now we have to create animation, move this light through logo outline masks. Here, change start size to 125%. Change value of start roundness to 2. Move time indicator to beginning, and increase start offset to 100%. Then create keyframe for star offset at the beginning. Place time indicator in 2 seconds. And reduce star offset to 0. Reduce end size to 0 as well. Move time indicator to 1 second. Then create keyframe for end offset. Then move to 2 seconds. And reduce end offset value to 0%. After all this little changes, our logo animation will be like this. Perfect. Select logo layer, and press U, to show up all created keyframes. Select keyframes to start offset and end offset, and press F9, to change assistant to easy ease, to smooth animation. You can also change manually with right button in the keyframes, and keyframes assistant, just select here, easy ease. Now, let's change color of glow of the Saber effect. Change to any color you want. I prefer this one. Select logo layer and press Ctrl and D, to duplicate the layer. Then move time indicator, to 10 frames from the beginning. Drag duplicate layer to it. Again change color of glow of Saber, to another color. Again create duplicate of the layer. Again move this layer forward 10 frames. Change color of glow, change to same color of the imported logo. Select both duplicate logo layers. And change mode to screen. When we look at the preview, it will be like this. Perfect. Move time indicator 10 frames forward from here. Again create duplicate of the layer. Drag this layer to the time indicator. Delete Saber effect of this layer. Type T in layer to open opacity. Move time indicator 30 frames forward. And place in 2 seconds. And create keyframe for opacity. And then move 20 frames backward. Reduce opacity to 0. Perfect. Now let's add some light, sweeping through the logo. Place time indicator in 10 frames from 2 seconds. Search in Effects, CC Light Sweep. Drag to the layer. You can see a light sweep line has appeared. Place this little light center point, here in the right side of the screen, completely outside of the logo. And create keyframe for the center. Move time indicator 20 frames forward. And place center point in the right side of the screen. If we want, we can change light color, intensity and thickness in the effect control. Here, increase sweep intensity to 50. Change edge thickness to 5. And edge intensity to 75. Look at the preview. Perfect. Click letter U in the layer to show all keyframes. Move down to keyframes of the center. Drag second keyframe of the center to little bit forward. Place in 3.5 seconds. Change assistant of all keyframes to easy ease. Check the preview. Alright. Again type U in the layer to close keyframes. Here, select all layers. And convert to 3D. Then create a new null object. Again change this layer to 3D. Select other layers. And drag this to null object layer. To parent with this layer, place time indicator in 2 seconds. And select null object layer, type R. To open orientation. Create keyframe for all these in 2 seconds. Place time indicator in 1 second. And change orientation like this. Then drag all keyframes to the beginning. Then change keyframe to easy ease. Look at the result. Nice. Now let's create an animation. Place time indicator in 4 seconds. Select logo layer, and press T to open up opacity. Click this little dot to create keyframe. Then move the indicator to 5 seconds. Change opacity to 0 and create keyframe. Check the result. Perfect. This is one way to make this type of simple logo animation. I hope you understand all steps very well. If not, you can ask me in comment section. And definitely subscribe for more videos. And again, Dr. Technician is helping you go further, faster in graphic design. Keep crushing it. We will talk soon.